Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your OPPO Find X5 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write Firefox browser and click on this app. Now install. And after installation process is complete, we'll be able to open the app and start customizing it. You can change the theme from light to dark or set it automatic. Then change toolbar placement from bottom or top. There's also always on privacy settings, which you can change from standard to strict. Here you can sign in to other Firefox browsers to sync them in. And the last thing right here is to read your privacy notice if you want. And after doing so, press start browsing and open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.